The count function evaluates how many cells within a given range are filled with numbers. This is similar to, but different from the count A function, which evaluates how many non-blank cells are present in a given range. The important distinction here is that the count function only includes cells that have numbers in them. Any other type of data is excluded from the count total. Let's look at a sample data set with 25 different employees. These employees were all told to fill out their age into this spreadsheet, and we want to verify that each employee has done so using numbers only. To do this, let's select cell E8 and begin typing the count function. The count function, similar to the count A function, can accept up to 255 different arguments, all separated by commas. However, only the first argument is required, and that's all we'll use in this example. We know the data range we are evaluating is B2 through B26, so you can either type it in manually, select the data range with your cursor, or click on cell B2 and use the shortcut keystroke Ctrl-Shift-Down arrow. This shortcut keystroke will select all filled cells below the cell you initially select, up until it reaches a blank cell. This is a commonly used keystroke, so I recommend using it frequently to become comfortable with it. We see the result to be 24, which means the count function must have encountered a cell that did not contain a number. Looking into the dataset, we see that cell B18 contains the number written out in text. If we change that cell value to a number instead, we see the count function returns 25 as the result.